The 48th season of the PBA is just around the corner, and who better to tell us about what to expect from the highly anticipated return of the PBA than the hard-working commissioner, Com Willie Marcial. Come, welcome back to the game.
Eto, maraming salamat ulit sa inyong dalawa.
Com, balikan muna natin yung season 47 before we talk about 48. Kasi grabe, ang tagal ng break. Around 6 months since the last conference. Nag-PBA on tour po kayo. But then, could you remind us what some of the milestones were from season 47 that we can be proud of?
Yung Bay Area Dragons. At na-hit natin yung record na 54,589. So, yun ang mga naalala ko. Yung magagandang moments ang naalala ko.
Yeah.
So, yun, yung Dragons.
Okay, well, you mentioned the break, Kume. The broadcasters, all the talents, all the players miss and have been, hinting on, ang tagal ng PBA. But you did, alam na naman natin why the break happened. It was to give way, of course, to the FIBA World Cup. And I guess I wanted to ask, Kume, the learnings from that experience coming into season 48.
The World Cup.
Yes,
The World Cup
muna.
Malaking bagay yan sa mga players at sa coaches.
Pati sa mga officials, I would assume.
Yung nakakita sila ng international brand of basketball, pati kami sa Commissioner's Office, kung paano yung anticipation ng mga referees, ng officials, paano decorum nila. So, yun maganda yung nakita namin. At maganda talaga yung kalang presentation bago magsimula. Nandun ang Sports 5, yung sa mga production. Kakaiba. Tapos nakita ko, ginaya na rin ng Asian Games. Yung para sa mga call-outs.
Well, let's see kung ano ma-adapt ng PBA coming the next season, the next conference. Pero kung apart from the FIBA Basketball World Cup, you were part of that team that went to the 19th Asian Games para sa first gold medal ng Pilipinas in 61 years. At yung team natin nun, all of them, apart from si Ange Kuame, were PBA players.
Right.
Just how do you see that affecting yung level of play natin, knowing that, okay, yung mga players natin, gold medalists sa Asian Games?
Yun nga, it's yung tinatawag namin, miracle team yun eh. Talagang nagawa lahat. At doon mo makita, yun ang sinasabi ko noon sa iyo, di ba? Yung chemistry, yung samahan ng mga coaches, pati mga players. Even si Chairman Ricky Vargas, Vice Chairman at si Al Francis, nagbubuhat kami kung anong dapat mabuhat. Walang chairman, walang commissioner. So yung samahan na yon, iba yon. Kaya may tulong sa taas sigurado sa nangyari sa amin.
Nandito kasi si Kume then when you were still there.
Yeah.
Nag-guest si Kume, dami niya kwento mga magagandang side stories na hindi nako-cover, 'di ba, ng media na napakaganda nung magiging epekto para sa mga players. But I wanted to ask that, just to follow up on that, kung may yung level of play, in terms of the PBA, will there be an effect from that Asian Games, in your opinion?
For sure. Sa akin, kahit simula pa sa World Cup, makikita mo na yung intensity, yung talagang maipapapanalo mo, yung gusto mo, yung puso mo lang, honest, talagang pwede kang manalo. Kahit yung magandang chemistry at yung buong-buo yung loob nyo, pwede kang ipanalo kahit anong klaseng team ka pa.
Siyempre, we also have a few new rule changes sa PBA that could make it look a bit more like international basketball. But for the people to see that, they're going to have to do something a bit different here. Because during the press conference ng PBA noong October 17, si TV5 President and CEO Mr. Guido Zaballero did announce na may bagong tahanan na ang PBA sa Free TV. Starting November 5 na sa A to Z. What can we expect with PBA being on A to Z on prime time, Kume?
Malaking bagay sa atin yun kasi may babalik na natin yung dati nating oras. Hindi yung 3 to 5, 5 to 7. So babalik na yung prime time magiging sa atin. So makikita na ng mga tao na hindi pagkagaling sa opisina, nasa television na sila. So iba tong A to Z. Makikita natin kung paano yung mga reach nito sa mga fans natin. At sa akin, nagkatiwala kami sa Signal at sa Sports 5.
Okay, and speaking of new, for season 48, syempre, yung mga rookies, what excites you about, medyo na-touch natin yan nung last time, di ba? Kume, especially the success of PBA on tour, di ba? And then the rookies, and then yung magbabalik na veterans, and of course, the fan experience in the PBA. What are we looking at for season 48?
Meron tayong kasi may gap tayo from 6:30 to 8. Yun, makikita nila yung fan engagement natin, may palaro tayo, yung mga players from the winning team ng first game, makikihalubilo sa mga fans. Tapos, baka ilagay natin ng 3x3 mga babae naman.
Women's.
Women's 3x3.
Mapanood naman nila na matagal ko nang pinangako. So, sana matuloy.
Nice.
Kume, a lot of exciting things coming in for season 48. Could you invite all our viewers to come and watch simula November 5, yung PBA upcoming season?
Yun po, sa dadating pong November 5, panoodin niyo po kami. Pakako ko sa inyo, kakaibang opening ang ipapakita namin sa inyo. May Leo Awards kami ng alas 4, alas 5 po yung opening ceremonies. Tapos yung game po, Rain or Shine versus Magnolia ng alas 6. So, salamat sa patuloy niyong suporta sa PBA.
Ladies and gentlemen, Commissioner Willie Marcial, maraming salamat. Excited for the new season of the PBA. Thank you very much.
November 5. See you, Kume. Thank you very much for coming by the game tonight.
Sana manood ka, Boom.
Lagi. Sa tabi mo pa. Sa tabi mo, papayagan mo
Kaya
ako.
nga sinasabi
Okay
ko,
lang.
sayang, sana manood ka. Okay.
Thank you very much, Kume, for dropping by tonight, and thank you for joining us.